Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change text outline color in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show change text outline color. Then you show the text, select from text. Now going to the text format option. Then click for a text outline. Now click for a and choose color. Now I choose from a red color. Now click for a outline, then click for a widget option. That's it. Now text from a size, that is. Then again another sense text outline color. Now click for text outline, then choose color. Now click for a widget option, then click for a 3pt. Now click for that is. Then we show change text outline color in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for